Okay students, let us do question 2 of exercise 8.2, in which we have given ABCD is a rhombus and PQRS are the midpoints of the side AB, BC, CD and DA respectively, and we have to prove that this PQRS is a rectangle. So we have joined these midpoints and also we have joined AC also. Now to prove that this is a rectangle, firstly we will prove it is a parallelogram, and after proving parallelogram we will prove that its one angle is 90, then it will become a rectangle. Now let's start. We will use the midpoint theorem. Firstly, take triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, P is midpoint of AB and Q is midpoint of BC. P is midpoint of AB and Q is midpoint of BC. Then by midpoint theorem says that it is this line joining is parallel to the third side of the triangle and is half of it. PQ is parallel to AC and PQ is half of AC. Equation number 1. PQ is parallel to AC and PQ is half of AC. We have called it equation 1. Similarly, now we will take this triangle and we will prove SR is parallel to AC and SR is half of AC. Now, in triangle ADC, S is given midpoint of AD and R is midpoint of CD. This implies this line joining SR will be parallel to AC and SR is half of AC by midpoint theorem, because it is midpoint theorem proves that it is parallel to the third side and is half of it. Call it equation number 2. Now, what is the conclusion from 1 and 2? PQ and SR both are parallel to the same line and both are equal to the same line. Both are the half of AC. So from 1 and 2 the conclusion is that PQ and SR will be parallel to each other and PQ and SR will be equal to each other, as they are equal to the same half AC and they are parallel to the same line AC. Now by this we can say hence PQRS will be a parallelogram, because its one pair of opposite side is parallel and equal. We have proved. When one pair of opposite side is parallel and equal, then it will become a parallelogram. But we have to prove that it is a rectangle. Now parallelogram and rectangle almost are same. In parallelogram also opposite sides are equal and angles are equal in rectangle also. The only difference is of angle, 90-degree angle. So let us now prove that PQRS becomes a rectangle. Come to this diagram again. Now we will join the BD diagonal also. After joining BD, we get that AC and BD are the diagonals of rhombus. As ABCD is given a rhombus, and diagonals of rhombus we know that they bisect each other. It means this angle is 90-degree. Right? Now we will take one part of this and we will prove that this angle is 90-degree. This angle is also equal to this other. This angle is 90 as the rhombus diagonals are perpendicular to each other, and this angle we can prove when we prove this is a parallelogram and opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. How we can prove that this is a parallelogram? This point and this line and this line and this line and this line, we prove that one pair of opposite side is equal and parallel. For this, let us write the point M and N over here. Let us introduce 2 points M and N over here so that we can name it P, M, N, Q. Let us write the naming of these. All side only P point is there. So this line PM will be parallel to this and equal to this. Similarly, this PQ and MN are also parallel and equal, and it will become a parallelogram. As this full line is parallel to AC, so this half part PQ is also parallel to MN. Now we will write in quadrilateral PMQN. PMNQ. In quadrilateral PMNQ, PM is parallel to QN as PS is parallel to BD. As we have proved AC, similarly we can prove for BD also. Similarly, second part is PM and QN we have take. Now we will take MN and PQ. PQ part is already there, so let us take some other point. PQRS is there, MN, we can write it O. Let us take it O. In triangle PMNO, change the name, PMNO, PM is parallel to ON. Now we can take PO is also parallel to MN, as PQ full line is parallel to AC. So this implies PONM is a parallelogram, and in parallelogram opposite angles are equal. So angle M and angle N and angle P are equal, but angle N is 90 degree, because this implies angle P will be also 90 degree. Hence PQRS will become a rectangle, because in parallelogram if one angle is 90, it will become a rectangle. And how an angle is 90 degree, you can write the reason for this also, because diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at, or you can write only the diagonals of bisector are perpendicular to each other. This is a property of rhombus and we have used over here, and hence this question is done.